One.
Hello, everyone. My name's John Chaney, the owner of Roof Maxx of Titusville. That's going to be the name of this show. And I'm here with...
I'm Sean Knapp. I'm Director of Operations. And we've got our sales manager, Rick Sarmiento, who couldn't make it today.
But he'll be on the show
on
many
the show
of
as
times.
well.
Yep, he'll be on the show. And we got our great team of applicators. What this show is going to be about, okay, to give you a little heads up. Roof Maxx of Titusville is going to be doing a show basically the first and third Thursday of the month. Mm-hmm. And what we're going to do is talk about what Roof Maxx is, how it came about for the need of what's going on out in the market. And then also we're going to be on YouTube. Okay, so YouTube and Facebook. And then you guys could ask us questions on YouTube. You could send in comments, ask us questions, and we're going to become basically an informational show about Roof Maxx of Titusville. And we also do roof shampoo. Yes. And how we clean roofs and a lot of things I've learned over the years and how staining causes problems to the shingles and that type of thing.
You know your stained roof looks ugly, but did you know that leaving those dark stains from algae on your roof can actually damage your shingles? A roof covered with dark streaking stains is no longer able to efficiently reflect sunlight, which promotes moisture retention that can cause shingles to deteriorate. This can lead to costly, premature re-roofing. Also, stained shingles absorb heat, thereby superheating your attic, increasing your cooling costs and putting strain on your cooling system. This is why it's becoming common for insurance companies to demand that homeowners have their stained roofs professionally cleaned. They know that roof stains negatively impact the overall integrity of the roof, which can lead to leaks inside your home that could cost them money in a claim. A clean roof is a healthy roof. Restore your home's curb appeal and maintain the health of your shingles. Have your roof stains professionally cleaned by an authorized local roof shampoo contractor who uses state-of-the-art, low-pressure roof washing equipment and eco-friendly, non-bleach roof shampoo soaps. For more information, visit www.roofshampoo.com.
Yeah, so basically we're going to be a Q&A for everybody, right? So they can send in questions and we'll help them with that. We're going to have guests on the show as well, right? From all around the country.
Yep, all over the country. We're going to have, there's 350 Roof Maxx dealers around the country. We're going to bring some guys in from Colorado, from Utah, from California, from Orlando, all different places around the country.
Yeah, because what happens with roofs here in Orlando is totally different what happens with roofs up north or in the west and so on and so forth. So we want to answer any questions that we can for any kind of roof. But what's the type of roof that we deal with?
Okay, so and that's what we're going to explain. We're going to have shows. The next show, okay, that is going to be on February 5th, will be the first main show, okay? We're going to talk about how Roof Maxx started, give you a little information about Mike and Todd Fiesel.
Yep.
Now,
owners.
I'm going to warn everybody. During the times that I do the show, I may say Jeff, because Jeff Fiesel's a friend of mine, the CEO of Halifax Hospital, and as soon as I see Fiesel, I say Jeff.
Yep.
But I gotta get it down. You know, I know it's Mike and Todd, but once in a while I'm gonna slip. So anyway, it's gonna be a very informational show.
See, I thought you were going information driven.
Okay.
But either way.
So to give you a little idea, we're just gonna touch base a little bit about it. Okay. Mm-hmm. So, we are a restoration company.
Right.
We don't do any replacements, okay? It's not a roofing replacement. It's a restoration. It's to extend the life of your asphalt shingles.
Think you need a new roof? Think again.
Introducing Roof Maxx, the first professional and affordable roofing treatment that is scientifically proven
to strengthen and extend the life of your roof. Roof Maxx's exclusive treatment resaturates old, dried shingles with a natural bio-friendly formula that quickly restores flexibility and water-repelling protection.
And to be clear, it has to be asphalt for the product to work. It's a soy-based product, okay? What company? You had Ohio State do the study, but it was actually
Battelle?
Yeah, Battelle, and not with a P, with a B. Battelle. That basically Battelle Laboratories, which is the largest laboratory that does all that study in the world.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a proven product. It's been around for years. And then we're going to get into next week, we're going to get into, how from 88 to 2013 the shingles changed and how the thickness has been deteriorated and how today the shingles aren't lasting like they're telling you 20, 30, 40, 50, and lifetime. It's all changed.
Well, part of that's because they're not using as much asphalt anymore, right? They're using
Correct.
more crushed limestone, which is deteriorating, the life of your asphalt roof.
So we're going to get into that. We're going to tell you we're a 5-star rated nationwide company. So we'll go into that. But to give you an idea of what happens is you call in to us or you email us. We have to see if your roof qualifies. We come out and do a free inspection of your roof, okay? Rick takes a ton of pictures so you can see what's going on. A lot of people don't go up on the roofs, you know what I mean? So you may have shingles, one here and one over there missing that you don't even know about. And Rick will take pictures of everything, see if you qualify, because you have to have 30% or less granule loss, so you have to qualify for us to do the job. And then we'll let you know. Some of the other things is insurance.
Well, real quick, if they do qualify, right, explain how that extends the life and how long we can extend it.
So with Roof Maxx, if you qualify and we can come out and apply the product, which is harmless, seamless, quick, very easy application spray on your roof, it extends the roof for 5 years. It adds the pliability back into the shingles. Because if you look up on your roof, you can almost see when it starts to get that little ripple effect, that little coloring. If you go up there and try to lift one of them, you're snapping it.
Right.
You're snapping it. But after our application, you can get the flexibility back into the shingle.
Look at your roof. If it's old and dry, nothing underneath is safe. You could go for a messy, disruptive, and expensive roof replacement, or you could get Roof Maxx, a scientifically formulated treatment for your roof that's perfectly safe for the environment and your family. Roof Maxx penetrates down into asphalt shingles and restores their strength and flexibility. And each treatment gets you 5 years of additional roof life, guaranteed. Fill out our simple form and we'll get you a free roof assessment. Roof Maxx. Think you need a new roof? Think again.
And now think about it. You have a hailstorm. You're not breaking shingles and it's not going to leak into your home. It adds the flexibility so it bounces off and your shingles extends the life. Now, that's on a home. Could you imagine on a condo association and stuff like that where, you're extending the life 5 years? That's a lot of money.
Yeah, or if we catch it in enough time, we could do it up to 15 years, right?
Yep.
And it's safe for people, pets, your landscaping.
Yep.
So that's great.
It's a soy-based product, so it's just you're adding the oils back into the shingle.
Right.
You brought that up about 15 years. It would have to be another application after 5 years, and then we check it again, see if you qualify again, and we extend it another 5. So, I think it's great. Landfill, you're not getting
environmentally.
Environmentally, we're saving a lot of things. And we're going to talk all about this in the very first show. This is zero show. Yeah. This is just to give you a teaser to understand what we're going to be talking about.
It's like a moisturizer for your roof.
Yes.
So just think of it in that scenario. It coats it, it brings it back to life, moisturizes it, and just as you were saying, John, it makes it so things like hail or rain and stuff like that just helps with all those.
It puts the flexibility back in the shingle.
Yep, exactly.
Like we said, each show is going to be a specific show about certain things. Because, believe me, there's a lot of things involved in your roof. I'm going to bring up another thing. Roof shampoo.
Yep.
So we are roof shampoo for Orange and Brevard counties. Let me tell you, we're going to bring up our territory for Roof Maxx. It goes from DeLand all the way to Satellite Beach. That's our area. But we get it done anywhere between us and the Port Orange and Orlando.
Between
the guys,
dealers.
we got 350 dealers. Somebody will get out to you and get it done.
Yeah.
So the roof shampoo it's a process. Well, let me explain that. To do a house, it takes a little bit because you have a machine that we bought that is calibrated specifically not to take your granular off your roof, because you don't want to hire somebody to just go up there to pressure wash your roof and clean it. And that's one. And two, they're going to use bleach. Bleach will soak into the shingle, and dry it out even more. So you don't want to do that. So our roof shampoo is another product that is safe for the environment, safe for pets, safe for your plants and all that. It can get on anything, okay? But I'm telling you, we did a roof yesterday, and we're going to show you, John's going to put it on, the difference night and day and how easy it is to come off. But it is a process because the disc is small. You're up on a roof with it, and you got to lower it down, lower it back, lower it down, lower it back. And doing 2 foot at a time, it does take a while. It takes a day, half a day to do a decent sized roof. But it unbelievable night and day.
Yeah.
I learned a lot of things. I didn't know that by the staining sitting up on your roof, it's deteriorating your shingle, and the insurance companies are requesting that you take it off.
Yep.
So, and even HOAs now.
Yep.
We were down in Titusville down there. Yep. And the HOAs are getting with the homeowners that they want it off the roof. Because it doesn't look good either.
Well, besides not looking good, like you said, right? It also adds more heat to your attic.
Yep.
And to your house.
It holds.
Which I didn't realize.
Yep.
And until we went through this process, and so it's very detrimental, and it'll help age the roof quicker. So that's why cleaning also helps keep everything tuned up and ready to go with your roof. And again, this machine is specifically created to clean your roof, an asphalt roof, without destroying the asphalt
and taking it off. Yeah,
right.
Taking it off. And then so right back here, if maybe people who start to see the show are going to see that it looks a little different, Roof Maxx just went to a new rebranding, and this is the rebranding right here, because we're Roof Restoration. To let everybody understand that we're extending the life of your shingles, rejuvenating them and putting them, restoring them back to
life.
The life, and extending it 5 years. Comes with a 5-year warranty and everything.
Yep.
So this show itself may be a little bit odd in the beginning, but as we do the shows and we get people on, and people are calling in, and we're gonna have an iPad up here that'll answer questions, and about insurance. That could be a whole segment about insurance
by itself, right?
Yeah, by itself. But the show will be 30 minutes long. We'll have a couple commercials, and I think it'll be very informational and great for Roof Maxx of Titusville.
Yeah, what we'll do is we'll put on the screen where to email us with any questions for the next show. So if you see that, go ahead and send out questions so that we'll have those prepped and ready to go, along with the ones that we do live. So yeah.
So, I don't know. Is there anything that we talked about, John? We got IT John is inside. He's the one that runs our TriCaster,
Yep.
cameras, gets everything so we can get out there and people can watch it.
He's the man behind the scenes.
This will be, zero show for Roof Maxx of Titusville.
Yep. And what we'll do also, so like we said, it's going to be the first and third Thursdays of the month. So the next one will be on
February 5th and 19th.
19th. And we will look forward to seeing you. Follow us also as well on our social media. So we're on YouTube, Facebook. We've got all the social media. And then we'll also keep you apprised of what's going on and throw some things out for this show.
So that's all I can say is welcome to the new show, Roof Maxx of Titusville.
Yep. Looking forward to hearing from you.
And when we bring Rick on, Rick talks a lot. So you'll be able to ask him a million questions.
And he
you
knows
know he
his
does,
stuff.
right?
Yep,
Yeah,
he
he
knows
knows
his
it. And he's a great guy, and we'll have some fun.
Yep. The show will be, 30 minutes long?
Yep, 30-minute show. So what time's the show at? 6 o'clock? 6 o'clock. So this way you're home, 6 o'clock East Coast time.
Standard,
It'll
yep.
be a live show. Well, so let's talk about the live show. The reason it's going to be a live show is me and him and Rick, we like to have fun.
Yep.
I like to have fun in life and enjoy myself as I'm going through it. You know what I mean? And I got nicknamed Crazy John on different things and for a lot of reasons. But I have fun. I enjoy myself. So we're going to enjoy ourselves on this show. It isn't going to be all straight serious and, this is cut and dry. We're going to have some fun, even when we bring in people.
Yeah.
We had a great show out here down in Marco Island. Met a bunch of the Roof Maxx guys. Had a great time. Met the owners.
Yeah, the annual conference.
Yeah, the annual conference, Mike and Todd, and then his sister, she was there. It was a great time. So, and you're going to meet those guys because I talked about us putting on the show and I talked about coming on.
Yep, and again, that'll help generate questions that you might have and that we can get you the answers because, again, we're not just based here in Florida and the shows, actually international like we do with our other show, but people will call in and we'll try to get you the answers that you need for
where you're at,
the area that you live. And like John said, we like to do the show live because we have fun. That way, when we screw up, and when we screw up, we do.
Yeah,
we do it monumentally. But,
and we don't care.
No, we don't care.
Yeah, we don't care.
We're just here to have a good time and help you answer any questions for the roofing and go from there.
All right. Well, I almost said, why don't we do
our goodbye?
I know what John
Yeah.
said. We had a thing, but I just want to say we're going to have a good time, and hopefully our show will be we'll be able to answer a lot of questions and very informative.
Yep, and then we will see you on the 5th.
Yeah, okay.
February 5th.
Thank you, and we'll see you on the 5th.